All of these vegetables here are great vegetables to boost your immune system. You want to eat green, leafy vegetables to fortify your body with iron, magnesium, vitamin K, vitamin C. It also will help fight off viruses, bacteria, and fungal infections. Peace and blessings. Welcome to Hakiy's Natural Things. Today, I will be showing you how to make an alkaline meal to boost your immune system. Here's a list of ingredients to add for our meal. We have olive oil, scallion, chard, garlic, cinnamon, red onion, ginger, cilantro, mango, and jasmine rice. These ingredients will boost your immune system with vital minerals such as vitamin K, vitamin C, magnesium, folic acid, and iron, ridding your body of heavy metals and toxins, boosting your immune system along the way. So we're going to start out by seasoning the bottom of the pan, just like such. Whatever personal seasoning, so to your taste. Today I'm using a mango habanero rub with a little bit of Louisiana spice. Make sure that the pan is seasoned so that way it will season the bottom of whatever protein that you're cooking as well. Today we'll be cooking a fish to go along with our vegetables. So, we will be preparing our Swiss chard. We will be starting by chopping it down, and we will simmer or boil this in a pot of water until it gets tender. Swiss chard is known for its nutrients. It is known as a superfood full of manganese, magnesium, calcium, vitamin K, vitamin A. This is something that you will need to boost your immune system and to fortify yourself against coronavirus, bacteria, and fungal infections. of Caribbean spices, Scotch bonnet peppers, cinnamon, nutmeg, and some other secret ingredients. If you would like to know exactly what I put in it, email me and I can send you the recipe. Pour this lightly over the fish. And we'll put this in the oven and we'll let this bake for a while. And when we come back, you'll see the magic and we'll get the finished product. You want to make sure that the oven is set on 350 and you want to cook the fish for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the fish is golden and flaky up to your taste. Boil water. Add 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water. Cook until rice is tender and all water has boiled off. Season to your liking. Here's a side dish I made, guys. I seasoned it with butter, onion, chopped some little bit of garlic, season it up. It's a good finger food for the kids or for yourself. It's a good diuretic and will remove toxins from your system as well. Sorry you're sideways. I had to post it to the ground. Got a little overzealous. By the way, follow me on Instagram, Hakiym Shair. Hey guys, thanks for tuning into Hakiyym's Natural Things. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and continue to tune in to learn how to boost your immune system and to stay healthy.